After Prime Minister Modi's announcement of demonetization of 500 and 1,000 rupee notes, it's pandemonium in the national capital. Long queues near banks and ATMs have added to the woes of the poor and the old. It's not just misery but anger as well has gripped the capital. Post offices have refused to comply and are falling short of change to provide to the people.
I can't walk, I'm a patient. I have to deposit money in the hospital for operation, but they are not accepting the notes.
73-year-old M. Lala needs to withdraw money for his operation. But long queues at ATMs have kept him waiting in his misery. And the medical store owner won't accept the currency he has.
I'm not eating anything. What can you do about it? My operation is more important. I have to deposit the fund for that now.
You can see the state of affairs at Golda Khana, the heart of the city, supposed to have a better management than the rest of the Delhi. But you can see it is a state of disarray. Long queues here, people are frustrated. They've been waiting at length and there has been no let up.
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं बढ़ रही है. जहाँ थे वहीं खड़े हुए हैं. तो नंबर यहाँ तक आए तो कैश खत्म हो गया, तो यूं खड़े हो रहे.
इस टाइम खुले पैसे जो है मेरे पास 70-80 रुपए पड़े हुए हैं. मेरे को खाना खाना, मेरे बच्चों ने खाना खाना.
Not just despair, anger has also gripped the capital.
क्या कहेगा, अच्छा दिन दिखा दिया मोदी ने, लेनों में लगवा दिया, भूखे मर रहे हैं बच्चे.
Even after the government extended the deadline for utility centers to accept the old notes, capital's post offices refused to comply.
उन्होंने कह दिया कि मैं ये टिकट नहीं लूंगी, ये पैसे नहीं लूंगी. हमें कोई नोटिस नहीं आया, ना कोई हमारे पास में मैसेज है कि ये ले लो.
बद इंतजामी नहीं है. बद इंतजामी होती तो 2.5 दिन के अंदर लगभग 8-9 लाख करोड़ लोगों को बैंक्स एंटरटेन कर पाते. ऐसा संभव नहीं था.
While the government has declared war on black stash, traders in Karol Bagh staged a protest, seeking a rollback of the decision. The capital now is staring at a chaotic weekend ahead. With Maushami Singh in Delhi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Well, the cash crunch has driven massive crowds to ATMs across the country. The pain continues for citizens as demonetization takes effect. We spoke to some of the people trying to get money from ATMs.
Citizens crying out in frustration as they queue up for cash as several ATMs remain out of currency. On day 3 after PM Modi announced demonetization of high denomination notes, there was no end in sight to the cash chaos and confusion reigned even as bank employees worked round the clock.
24 तक एक ही बार विड्रॉल है, उसके बाद गाइडलाइंस में चेंज आने की पॉसिबिलिटीज है, जैसे मुझे इंस्ट्रक्शंस मिली.
सर रात को हम 11:30 बजे यहाँ से निकले हैं और सुबह 10 बजे फिर ड्यूटी ज्वाइन करी. हमें बाथरूम जाने का टाइम नहीं मिल पाता यहाँ पर. पीठ में दर्द हो रहा है, सिर में दर्द हो रहा है, लेकिन आना पड़ता है. छुट्टी हमारी कैंसिल कर दी गई इन्होंने.
तबीयत ठीक नहीं रहती, इतने समय खड़े नहीं हो सकते. पहले वीक में फार्म भरा जाता, नहीं पेंसिल बंद हो जाएगी. फार्म मेरी जेब में ना जमा करा सकते ना ले.
As citizens lose their cool, a network of 40,000 professionals and over 8,000 vans are on duty 24/7 to fill over 2 lakh ATMs across the country, currently being emptied faster than they can be filled up in a country of 1 billion people.
इनको रिकैलिब्रेट करना, इनका पुराना कैलिब्रेशन था कि पुराने 100 रुपए, 500 रुपए और 1000 रुपए के लिए ये कैलिब्रेटेड थे. और इसमें टेक्नोलॉजी में समय लगता है 2 से 3 सप्ताह का उसको रिकैलिब्रेट करने का.
Bearing the brunt of the cash crisis are senior citizens, women and the brides and grooms.
We are having a wedding at a place and people have to come one by one to get the cash because there's a crisis of cash. So we are family people who came around 10 people. They were all standing in queues since morning 7 a.m.
There is some confusion and chaos. The process of retrieving cash is very slow, even though the forms are fairly simple. Clearly, Delhiites facing a major cash crunch. They're hoping that this Saturday and tomorrow on Sunday, they're finally able to retrieve or withdraw some money.
It may take anywhere between a week to up to 3 weeks for the end of the cash crunch. 2 words that can help you at the moment: don't panic. With Mosmi Singh and Ilma Hassan, Bureau Report, India Today.
But from a bride to be losing her father in Bihar to senior citizens complaining of standing in long queues, it's become a Herculean task for people across the country to withdraw minimal amount of money and sustain themselves. Although Prime Minister Modi's move to scrap 500 and 1,000 rupees notes is meant to attack the black money hoarders, but it seems that the economically backward section of the society is being hit the most.
Prime Minister Modi's announcement of scrapping 500 and 1,000 rupee notes has left this bride-to-be without a father who had saved money for a wedding in the now invalid denominations. Unable to deal with the anxiety, he suffered a heart attack. Even hospitals refused to treat him and he passed away on Saturday morning.
डॉक्टर बोलना कि 1,500 का नोट ना ले, 3-4 बेचू में 3-4 हॉस्पिटल में ले गई ना, तो फिर आके अंतिम में सामने घाट बजरे को प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल वही में भर्ती कई ना.
This couple lost their newborn child after being refused entry into a hospital in Thane's Govandi. The infant was born premature and needed intensive care. The father had the money to admit this baby, but the hospital refused to accept payment in old 500 and 1,000 notes. This in spite of clear instructions from government to hospitals to not deny treatment to patients for lack of new notes.
उन्होंने बोला नहीं, जब तक पैसा जमा नहीं होएगा तब तक हम नहीं लेंगे मरीज को. उन्होंने फाइल ले लिया तो उसको वापस घर पे चले गए डॉक्टर.
48-year-old Unnikrishnan fell to his death from a building that housed a branch of the State Bank of Travancore in Thiruvananthapuram. Over 5 lakhs in cash and a deposit form were found on his body. Reports said he was severely depressed. Enraged over not getting ration from a fair price shop due to shortage of cash, 100 people descended at a grocery store around 50 kilometers from Chhatarpur in Madhya Pradesh and carried away bags of grains and other essentials. There was panic. Those who could withdraw cash failed to use it.
In the market, they are not accepting 2,000 rupees notes. They are not having small change. That is the very big problem for us.
No other shop or local shop will take that 2,000 rupees. So it's again that, that money will stay in your pocket for another 2 weeks.
As the government vows to clean up the black stash, the citizens' patience is running out. Bureau Report, India Today.
Meanwhile, an all-out political war has broken out over Prime Minister's demonetization decision. From Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee, opposition has demanded a rollback of the move. While Mamata attacked the Prime Minister for conveniently going abroad and leaving the citizens in a lurch, Kejriwal alleged that the Modi government alerted business houses and BJP supporters ahead of the announcement.
It started with Rahul Gandhi hitting the streets to feel the pulse of the people on Friday. And within a day, streets across the nation were filled with politicians. Currency politics is hotting up. Kejriwal started his day by launching a scathing attack on Modi Sarkar. Citing Punjab BJP leader Sanjeev Kamboj's picture with new 2,000 rupees note posted days before the actual announcement, Kejriwal accused the centre of alerting BJP leaders well in advance.
अचानक जुलाई से सितंबर वाले महीनों में 3 महीनों में डिपॉजिट्स एकदम से जंप किए हैं. इट वाज नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ आईडीएस. ये पैसा किसका पैसा था? सरकार ने अपने लोगों को, अपने दोस्तों को, भाजपा वालों को पहले से बता दिया था. ये साबित करता है.
एक और गैर जिम्मेवाराना बयान दिया गया कि क्योंकि जुलाई से सितंबर तक बैंक्स के डिपॉजिट्स बढ़ गए तो इसलिए कुछ लोगों को इसकी पूर्व जानकारी होगी. सीरियसली विश्लेषण कर लेते तो उसका कारण बड़ा स्पष्ट था कि 31 अगस्त को पे कमीशन के एरियर्स रिलीज हुए थे, इसलिए आया।
Aam Aadmi Party top leadership was out on the streets. First, Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia reaching Chandni Chowk, and then Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in Azadpur Mandi to meet traders.
500 के और 1000 के रुपए जो बंद किए गए हैं, ये घोटाले के तहत किए गए हैं। कमीशन खोरी चल रही है इसके अंदर।
In Kolkata, West Bengal Chief Minister visited banks and ATMs. Mamata demanded a rollback and urged for a united political fight back, even asking CPM to join in.
একটাই করতে পারে, যারা প্রতিবাদ করছে আর্মি দিয়ে তাদের উপরে গুলি চালিয়ে দিল, সাধারণ মানুষের উপর গুলি চালিয়ে মারবে।
The issue concerning demonetization is all set to rock the parliament as well. The Congress party has given a notice for suspension of business on the 16th of November to discuss this particular issue.
Black money is not in the hands of people alone. It is in the hands of assets, right? And in the hands of assets of those people who the BJP is very close to.
This was a decision in the right direction. And therefore, I think when the people of this country have hailed the decision, and hailed it also because it has come out with sincerity, honesty and courage of conviction from Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
The government assures there's no need to panic, promising that the chaos is only short-term. Whether the politicking over demonetization actually help address Aam Janta's problems, or will it actually end up defeating the cause, still remains to be seen. Bureau Report, India Today.